Hi guys, I'm really excited. So today I got my PR package from Fanola. I'm super excited to open this up. All I did was open it in the box. I didn't look inside because I wanted to record my reaction on camera and live my Kylie Jenner fantasy. So here we go. Okay, right off the bat, I love the purple. Purple's my favorite color, but they put this little Polaroid of me in there. Hang on, wait, because I want you guys to see it. Did they tape this on? Hold up. Hi Michael, super excited for you to try some more Fanola goodies. Can't wait to see what you will create next. Stay healthy, enjoy. Your Fanola fam Sabrina. That is so cute. We're just gonna get started and look at what we have. We have a lot in here. So first off, I have the sticker. Love the sticker. And a little pop socket. First up, we have the Fanola No Yellow Care. This, okay, so I see this all over Instagram. This is, you see like the GIFs and like the reels of the foam. It smells amazing. It's super lightweight. It's honestly just like mousse. But of course, this is for blondes, platinum, anyone who doesn't want yellow tones. I love this. All right, along with that, ooh, we have the Fanola No Orange Free Anti-Orange Shampoo. Okay, a lot of these products are for toning, as you can tell. That's what Fanola really specializes in. A lot of toning products. Purple, orange, anything that's like non-brassy for keeping the platinum. They're super good at that. They're very highly pigmented products. They're vegan, cruelty-free, paraffin sulfate-free. Let me open this one, hold up. So along to go with that, we have the sister. It's No Yellow Free Fanola shampoo as well. We have the anti-orange and anti-yellow shampoo, depending on what you're going for. Then we have these two as well. Everything's so vacuum sealed. They're pH balancing, so they're really good for softening the cuticle, adding moisture back into it, helping repair the hair after you went through a color process. So we have 1 and 2 right here. I can't wait to use this because she needs a little TLC. So this package can come at a better time. So this is their NutriCare Serum. This is really good for people who have curly, frizzy hair. If your hair is feeling a little bit more dry and just want to bring it back to life, maybe add a little bit of shine, this is really good. It's high in aloe vera, so it's super healthy for your hair, but it's not too much protein where it's going to weigh it down or make it feel clunky. It'll just be enough. Last thing, we have NutriCare Nutri 110 Action Spray, Reconstructing Spray Mask. Hello. So this is a leave-in spray, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna put this in my hair as soon as we're done recording. Leave-in conditioners are great for people who want to add moisture back in their hair, people who want to add shine, just really need to bring it back to life. They are a little happy family, but here is everything that was sent to me in the box. In the pop socket. So yes, thank you so much and my friends at Fanola for sending me this. I'm super excited. I just can't wait to get this stuff in my head. I'm going to tag them above, below, wherever in the description, wherever this is going to go. Be sure to check out their page and look at their store and check out these products as well. Again, thank you so much. That's it.